Setting goals sounds simple, but most businesses fail before they start because goals are vague.
Ambition without structure creates motion, not progress.
Entrepreneurs often confuse busy days with meaningful direction.
Without clear targets, results become impossible to measure.
This is where SMART goals change how businesses think.
The first step is specificity. Goals must be clearly defined.
A specific goal removes guesswork for every decision. Vague goals feel safe, but they hide real accountability.
Measurable goals turn effort into visible progress. What gets measured gets managed and improved. Measurement creates honesty about where the business stands.
Achievable goals balance ambition with reality. Unrealistic goals drain motivation instead of building momentum.
Achievable means challenging, not impossible.
Relevance connects goals directly to business priorities.
Vosgars. Every goal should clearly support long-term direction.
Time-bound goals create urgency and focus.
Deadlines turn intention into commitment. Together, SMART goals form a complete decision framework.
Clear goals don't guarantee success, but they remove confusion.
After goals are set, reality tests them almost immediately.
Distractions expose which goals were never truly clear.
Doubt often appears when progress feels slower than expected. Poorly defined goals collapse under daily pressure.
Many founders realize their measurements were meaningless.
This is where frustration replaces motivation. Goals that aren't achievable quickly become emotional weight. Comparison amplifies the feeling of falling behind.
At this stage, many goals quietly get abandoned.
Stopping doesn't look dramatic, but it's common. Some founders revisit why the goal mattered in the first place.
Relevance often needs to be redefined as conditions change.
Honest reflection replaces blind persistence.
Timeframes are corrected to match reality.
Progress resumes once goals fit the real environment. Measurable goals regain their usefulness when simplified.
Small wins rebuild confidence.
Achievability restores momentum without lowering standards.
Pausing becomes strategic instead of avoidant.
Struggle clarifies which goals deserve commitment.
Clarity often arrives quietly, after confusion has passed.
Fewer goals create sharper focus.
Specificity now feels practical, not restrictive.
Measurement becomes a guide instead of a burden.
The mindset shifts from proving to improving.
Achievable goals build trust with yourself.
Relevance connects daily work to long-term value.
Time boundaries create rhythm instead of pressure.
With clarity, execution feels lighter.
Progress becomes visible in small, repeatable actions.
Consistency replaces bursts of motivation.
Sustainable goals respect human energy limits.
Time reveals patterns effort alone cannot show.
Momentum grows when directions stay constant.
Clarity also means letting some goals go.
Priority sharpens execution.
Focus reduces decision fatigue.
Structure quietly supports creativity.
Ending work intentionally preserves tomorrow's momentum. Clarity marks the true turning point for goals.
Execution begins when planning meets routine.
Daily rituals anchor goals into real life.
Progress now comes from showing up consistently.
Execution feels ordinary, not dramatic.
Measurable goals guide daily adjustments.
Review turns action into learning.
Time boundaries protect focused work.
Small order supports long-term consistency.
Energy management becomes part of execution.
Completion creates quiet satisfaction.
Pauses are intentional, not avoidance.
Tomorrow is prepared before today ends. Reflection strengthens execution.
Stopping on time sustains momentum.
Consistency extends beyond the desk. Daily actions reconnect with long-term intent.
execution remains flexible within clear limits.
Preparation reduces friction tomorrow.
Progress compounds quietly over time.
Execution transforms goals into reality.
Lessons emerge when progress is reviewed, not rushed. Gaps between plans and outcomes reveal what truly matters.
Patterns teach more than isolated wins or failures.
Reflection requires space away from constant action.
Some goals age faster than expected.
Writing lessons down makes them reusable.
Perspective grows when comparison fades.
Focus improves when noise is reduced. Lessons simplify future objectives.
Rest becomes part of strategic thinking.
Data gains meaning when paired with experience.
Fewer priorities create stronger execution paths.
Lessons replace hesitation with informed confidence.
Planning improves when informed by real outcomes.
Insight often arrives during quiet moments.
Captured lessons prevent repeated mistakes.
Knowing when to stop is also a lesson.
Lessons must stay visible to stay useful.
Reflection closes the loop between action and intent.
Learning defines progress more than speed.
Long-term thinking begins after short-term noise fades.
Vision forms when space is created beyond daily tasks.
Long-term goals are direction, not prediction.
Alignment keeps ambition grounded in reality.
Patience becomes a strategic advantage.
Progress looks different when viewed over years.
Focus prevents long-term goals from drifting.
Time rewards consistency more than intensity.
Observation sharpens future decisions.
Vision must stay close to execution.
Long-term goals survive through smaller steps.
Direction matters more than speed.
Regular review protects long-term focus.
Confidence grows from clarity, not certainty.
Long-term vision brings calm to daily pressure.
Work ends, direction remains.
Progress continues, even when no one is watching.
SMART goals support vision through structure.
The future is built through intentional steps. Clear goals turn time into progress.